Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Look at me. Oh my god, we're here. First time at D23 Anaheim Convention Center. So, bad news. I didn't get any reservation today, virtual queue for the pins, but we're still gonna have an amazing time with friends here. So let's go with me and check out what this is all about. Let's go. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on the notification bell, so in the time and day I release my video. What is this?
The waiting areas in here.
So if we don't have nothing, we'll just wait here doing nothing. Okay, let's hopefully we see somebody that we know.
Walk you straight down, please. Straight down.
Okay, it's a lot of people, but it's not as a lot as I saw on YouTube 2 years ago. And it's about 6:30 right now. So when you guys come over here, that corner back there, if you want Rokana, the little car things, you gotta have a wristband to go into the booth. So you should come here, get this first, then go back to the line that you're waiting. I don't even collect this, but just in case we get nothing, we're gonna buy anything. We had a whole plan. We don't want this, we don't want that. I think what happened by tomorrow, what's left, I'll take it all double. So,
50 bucks?
all this is $50.
If I'm paying 20 bucks,
Is that expensive? I have no idea.
I think that's pricey.
You mean your magic key doesn't work here?
No, magic.
$50 for all this food. That's how Mafia, Mickey Mafia taking our money.
$70. And you can wait. Mine was 20.
Oh really? Yours 20? Wait, how does that
This
20?
was 20. I don't know.
That should be for $6. That should be for $5.
I think this was like 8, 9, right?
This is worse than the
I
airport.
said no receipt.
You don't want to believe it, here you go.
And then mine was 20.
Oh my gosh. And they don't allow you to bring any food in here except water. Yeah.
Just gone and ate at IHOP.
Probably cheaper.
Now we know. There goes our appetizer from Morton Steakhouse.
Yeah, no more appetizers.
So we walk in and oh, that's the store we wanted to be in. Look at the left one. But we can't go. Jose, where's Jose go? So we're at the Target bonsai shops.
Coin is what's going to get you the pins, all right?
Oh, how do I get coin? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no worries, yeah.
Thank you. So this is the Target stuff here. guess I'll get more of a Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's play this. So every day is different pins. So we put this right here. And then we're just... Oh, okay. Yay! It's so cute. I'll get one tomorrow. Let's go. So no pins, but we got Target stuff. Oh my god. Okay, let's keep on walking. So these are some of the bags. And then we have an exclusive merch, exclusive pins. And there's one exclusive bag here. So the goal is to buy the exclusive item from Launchfly. So I think we're gonna get that. This, they're all gonna go to the store later on. Don't need to buy it now. But then this one, they may be sold out already. Oh my god, the walnut's so cute. And then we were dying for this one. Oh my god, the mystery, the picture. Look at the zero little bag right there. Very cute. And then there's a bear hint. So there's a Launchfly merch. So this is the outfit they have. And then friends, check this out. Charlotte need this. Oh my gosh. Let me see what this in the front looks like. Uncle Don, we need this for Charlotte. The one in the middle is perfect. Wow. I think we're gonna hit all the merch first. This kind of stuff, we'll come back later when nobody's in line. Look at the Star Wars thing. Disney Broadway show. Alright. Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Are you Disney Visa credit
No,
card
I'm
holder?
not.
You still get a little charge from me.
Alright, thank you.
Card, I don't want to spend that much.
Okay, one freebie down. This is what's the most, if you're a pen collector, you want to be here. Unfortunately, they're all reservation based. It's almost impossible. And we didn't get reservations, so we can't even buy any of this. So that's the Disney Company pen store. That's the Disney Studio Hollywood store. They both need virtual queue. We did not get any. Oh well, maybe tomorrow. Oh my god, look at the Encanto. So finger crossed we get reservations. We just need one of us get it, we'll be in.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, they are so pretty. Oh, this is the August 9th, 9/11. And this is tomorrow. I'll be here. They're really pretty. Way prettier than the photograph. That's today.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god, the princess. Fairy tale dancing is beautiful.
But hey,
So I have a free lanyard here. Oh, how cool. Yes. Oh my god, look at that. Corolla. So cute. Miss Dior. So we are gonna check out the Adorable. Good. Oh, this is so cute. So these are the new one.
Yes, there's 12 total. So there's classic, creamy, and perfectly Pixar.
They are so cute. And look at this. Oh, what is this? To start.
So it's gonna start right away. So you get 4 different shots. I've got 2 more rooms. The next one is Jack Skellington Blacklight room, and then there's lots on the last room, and then you can see multiple dolls.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
They lock you in here all day. Not enough air.
Well, we can rotate. But yeah, it does get a little stuck. There we go.
Awesome. Thank you
I
so
see all those
much.
different poses in there.
Yeah, I made them work.
You made them work.
Yes.
You want another round?
Yes, I want to sit here. Oh, later.
Looks like Loungefly has some good stuff.
Oh, I love that.
Good plan.
Do you get it when you buy things? You do.
Oh, it's already recording.
If you guys do want to buy any dolls, they're right around the corner.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
They're so cute.
You guys like a photo with her?
The Madame Leota. Oh my god, I think this is the best costume ever. Wow. Amazing. Wow. The monster. So we're taking a lunch break at the convention, and guess what
This is
happened?
my lunch.
We're pouring out a painkiller.
This is my lunch right here.
How many do you have? If extra?
Yeah.
I can take Avil. Which one's stronger, Avil or?
Ibuprofen is 800.
Okay. You take one? Okay. Cheer up. That's our break. So we got lucky. I got +1. And we're here in this, what is it? 1:15, we're here. And look at that. Big Hero 6 sold out. Mickey and Friends Cutie series sold out. And it looks like everything's still available, but this one, the marquee sold out too. Oh well, but let's get in there and get some pins. Look at all this here. Oh, look at staying in my line so I don't lose my spot. I forgot. Back and wait. So this is some of the beautiful sets you can buy. That's 3,000, 2,000. You can get that. 1,200, 1,500, 1,500. So I guess you can still buy this the frame. So oh my God, the Marie frame, 2,000. Cutie. Wow. And then there's more cutie right here. Very cute. The leftover from yesterday. Oh, I need glasses. I forgot. Pinocchio's cute. Oh, there's Uncle Don. Oh, maybe I don't want to get it. There's maybe here. to the Mimi and Uncle Don. Gotta get Uncle Don. Oh wait, there's more Mimi. Hey friends, okay, after this clip I actually got sick. I have to go home early, so I didn't do the ending for this video. But yes, I bought all this and all the pins are being sold. I still have some pins available to sell, so check out my Whatnot show. But now I want to do a little giveaway, so stay tuned. Let's see what are we gonna give away. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.